Okay, looking at number 56, what you want to happen is you want to try and figure out a C value so that x minus 1 is a factor in the numerator. So you know that you have x minus 1 needs to be one of the factors, and then you're going to have another factor. And when you multiply those together, you get x squared plus 3x plus c. And so obviously this second factor is going to have an x in it. So x times x is x squared. And then it's going to have some c in it. And, you know, it doesn't really matter. You don't have to worry too much about whether this is a minus or a plus right here, because c can be a positive or a negative number. It kind of feels good to put a minus right here to make it minus c, but then it may not feel as good because right in here this is going to be a plus. So let's just finish the thoughts and not worry about the plus or minus right there, because you'll see how it falls out in a second. Okay, if I FOIL this out, I'm going to get x squared, and then I get minus cx minus x plus c, and then I have x squared plus 3x plus c. Now remember, the goal is you're trying to solve for c, and so you have an x squared on each side, so you can cancel those out, and you have a c on each side, so you can cancel those out. And you'll notice that what you have left here is if both of these terms are a factor of x, and then here we've got 3 x's over here. So if you factor x out of this side, you're going to have x parenthesis negative c minus 1 is equal to 3x. So x times some number has to equal 3 times x, which means this negative c minus 1 has to equal the 3, because they're both times x. So that those coefficients have to be equal. So negative c minus 1 is equal to 3, and then negative c is equal to 4, so c is equal to negative 4. So it's kind of weird because it's plus a negative 4. But anyway, that is the value that will work so that this will be continuous. So you could write this as the limit as x goes to 1 of x squared plus 3x plus negative 4 over x minus 1, and then this would factor as x minus 1 x plus 4, and then you would be able to cancel out the x minus 1.